Hi guys, Optic Thunder Airsoft here today, and we're going to share with you our loadout for 2013. Hope you enjoy.
Right. This is the TM Python 357 without shells. Put shells in. These single-handedly, so I just put one at the moment. Slap it in. That's an overview of the gun. Next gun, please. This is the WE L85A2. Gas blowback. As you can see here, that's the charging handle and back with ACOG and duct side, and the diamond defense rail in front. Pressure pad torch. So it's a good CQB entering the door. Press that. Press that. Next weapon, please. This is the SRC M4 with it's really bare, no mag. No carrying handle, it's just the standard sight. Hop up and with the magazine, see it? Hop up's shown there, so you pull that back, hop up's in there. Next one please. And this is the G&G CM16 radar. It's got quite a lot of mods on it. This has got the M23 grenade launcher. We're getting a suppressor for it, and it's also got the handrail to carry the gun. Mag for it, we've got P-mag, put that in, and also we've got a grenade for the grenade launcher. Put that in there. So the grenade launcher is gas, and yeah, that's it. And got a six action stock on the back. And is that everything? We got down here. We got HFC M9. Gas blowback 2. We've actually got 2 of these. Both gas blowback, and that's it.
You got my gun. It's gonna pay. No.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Not to laugh. Hit me, shot.